Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get high ticket clients on Facebook. So make sure you watch this video till the end. To get high ticket clients on Facebook, there are a few steps you need to follow. Step 1. Optimize your Facebook presence. Start with a professional profile picture, a strong headline, and a well crafted about section. This is your first impression, so make it count. Step 2. Join relevant on Facebook groups. Find groups where your ideal clients are active. Engage meaningfully by answering questions and sharing your expertise. Step 3. Create a business page or group. Share testimonial, case studies, and valuable content to build a community around your expertise. Step 4. Build relationships, interact authenticity in the comments or through direct messages. Post consistently with value-driven comment like success stories and helpful tips. Step 5. Leverage Facebook stories and live videos. Use stories for behind the scenes insight. The host live sessions to showcase your expertise and engage with your audience in real time. Step 6. Target high ticket prospect. Run targeted Facebook ads with advanced audience filters for a free resource like an ebook or webinar to capture leads. Step 7. Highlight success stories. Share client information and testimonials to demonstrate the real value you bring to the table. Step 8. Offer free consultation. Use consultations to diagnose problems and propose your premium solution to your potential clients. Step 9. Follow up and close deals. Keep the communication going through Facebook Messenger or email. Present your high ticket service as a solution to their pain points. And that's it. That's how you can get high ticket clients on Facebook in 2025. Hope you found these tips helpful. Thanks for watching.